this is 12goAsia landing page, and in today's video I will walk you through on how to become an affiliate partner and a reseller for 12goAsia. So this is the landing page, and just an overview about 12goAsia. With 12goAsia, you would be able to book trains, buses, ferries, transfers, and flights. So with me personally, I was able to try their services. Like I had tried their transfer from Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia to Singapore. It is like around 5 hours of travel, and yeah, I was able to get to Singapore safely, and the entire trip is very good. I mean, the bus itself, the operator, the driver, everything is good, and I highly recommend them. Okay, so here's the landing page, and yeah, you have here, well, 12goAsia is all over Asia. Okay, so they operated in Thailand. Here's some of their travel, and yeah, they operate in Thailand. They have trains, buses. Well, you can just play around on all of this links right here. So they have in Thailand, in Malaysia. Yeah, I have tried Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, and it is highly recommended for me. And Cambodia, Vietnam, Myanmar, of course in the Philippines, but haven't tried it yet here in the Philippines. In the future, yeah, I will try their services, and hopefully it also same with the experience I had in Kuala Lumpur. And they also have in Laos, India, Singapore, Japan, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, China, Hong Kong, Australia. Yeah, so there's a lot already. Okay, so being an affiliate partner of 12goAsia, well, of course, you'll be getting commission on all of the bookings made. For affiliation, you just need to integrate your affiliate link to your website, and if someone or your website's visitor would place or book their bus, their trains, travel, then you would be getting commission. It's just the same with any other affiliate partners terms, like yeah, it's how you can earn from them. And aside from being a affiliate partner is typically for travelers, for travel bloggers. If you own a website, then becoming an affiliate partner with 12goAsia is one of the ways that you can monetize your website traffic. Okay, so let's go on how you can create your account. So let's start first with how to become an affiliate partner. So we just need to click this link at the bottom, and yeah, this is the landing page. And when you click on the affiliate program, and here it is being explained in detail how you would get a commission. So you could get up to 50% of 12goAsia's profit and earn $2.94 from each booking made on your website. So this is how the affiliate partner works. So who can join and who can become an affiliate partner? So like what I've said earlier, if you do have your own travel websites and you constantly post a blog, then you can probably apply for an affiliate partner account. And if you are an owner of social media communities, SEO specialists, online agencies like me, travel agents, and everybody who wants to earn and selling tickets online. Okay, so how does it work? So you can just read this out. Just like what I've said, the very simple explanation on how does it work is, once you successfully created your affiliate partner account, just need to go through your account, and then you can integrate the link provided by 12goAsia through your account once you've already signed up, and then you can just simply integrate it to your website. Okay, so here's the breakdown on how you can earn, okay, and how our bookings counted. You can just get through these details, and how you can get your commission, right? So why 12goAsia? Well, definitely if you love to travel, and being a traveler, of course, there's a lot of time that you would ride a bus or a train to get to your destination. So I think being also an affiliate partner of 12goAsia is a good deal. And yeah, this is true. You can definitely start earning once you created your account. Well, everything that was written right here, you can just get through it once you sign up your account. So very simple. Just need to click here and then put on your name, your email address, your website, description, and then click this tick box and then sign up. So that's how you will create your affiliate partner account with 12goAsia. So now let's also check on how you can create your reseller partner program. Okay, so basically the difference between the two, well, with affiliate partner program, you would be able to integrate your link on your website because it's a way of monetizing your website traffic. With reseller account, this is intended for those who have travel agency, okay, that doesn't have their own website, so they just simply book on behalf of their clients or for themselves. So that's just the difference. So you can become a reseller, so tourism offices, street agencies, hotels, tour guides, or anyone that wants to sell 12goAsia's transportation and wanted, of course, to earn commissions. Okay, so so this is just basically how it works if you are a reseller of 12goAsia. So if you love to travel, you do have your website and you have your travel agency, you can create both accounts. You can create your affiliate account, so you can link 12goAsia's search box on your website, or you can also create your reseller account, so you can make sure that whenever you book for your client or for yourself, it would be tracked and you can earn commission. So just basically it. And if you click on this link of joining 12goAsia, so it's just getting basic information and email, website, your phone number. Just hit this box and then sign up, and your account will be created right away. Okay, simple as that. So yeah, hopefully you get something today, and also I was able to give you a little bit of information on how you can create your account with 12goAsia. And if you're planning to have your travel soon, this is highly recommended already. And I think that will be it for today. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.